Welcome to Musings by Midnight. In this episode, we are going to talk about pain. We will talk about the emotional pain and not the physical pain in this one. We might choose to cover physical pain in some other episode. Now, talking about emotional pain. We feel pain in our lives at different stages. The pain starts as soon as we are born. The process of birth itself is very painful. We are separated from our mother. In the womb, where we grew from one cell to a complete body, we are separated out of it. That is intense pain, and we have been through it. So that's how the life starts. So it would not be very smart to think that there would be no pain in life. Now, why does this pain come into our lives? Think about those times when you felt pain in your lives, in your past. Now, when you will go back and think about those times, you will realize that at certain points you overcame that pain. And now, at this moment, in this moment of existence, you don't feel the same pain as you felt at that time. Probably the intensity has reduced. You might think it's because the time has passed. But what happened in that time that passed? Some things hurt us more than others. There is a reason behind these things. Each and every pain that we feel indicates that we are growing. We are stepping into a new world. Just like the intense pain that we felt when we were born, we stepped into this physical world, this human world. Now, as the child grows up, slowly and gradually it feels pain of separation from its mother. It's painful. It's really, really painful for him. It happens once, it happens twice. So until he gets comfortable with this feeling of being away from his mother, the pain continues to happen. But at that point, when the child learns, overcomes this pain, it's no longer pain anymore. That feeling does not exist in him because he has grown out of it. Once he grows up, the child begins to explore this wonderful new world of independence. The child comes to know there are so many things that he can do by himself, and he doesn't need his mom anymore. So the emotional pain that we feel in our lives are for this reason. We have to understand that any pain that comes to us, any person that talks to us and we feel hurt, we feel offended. Sometimes some people don't behave well with us. It causes pain within us. All these small and big pain, all this emotional hurt, the feeling of downness is for our growth. This indicates it's time to grow. It's time to step into a new world, an amazing world where you can do a lot of things when you overcome this pain. So number one, when the pain comes to you, when somebody talks to you in an unwanted manner, when you face rejection, when you face insult, when you face embarrassment, all this pain, negative experiences means that it's time for you to grow. So when these things come in your lives, don't resist them. Don't try to say, it shouldn't have happened to me. Why did it happen to me? What did I do to deserve it? It will just prolong the suffering. Instead, accept it. It has come for your growth, because you are now ready to explore into a new world. After accepting this pain, you try to manage it. Now that's the best thing. This management of the pain can take a minute, a day, 2 days, a month, or year, or some years, depending on how big the lesson is. So just take the pain. If possible, be thankful to the person or the situation that gave you this pain, because this pain is going to open the door to amazing life for you. You will never be the same person again. Once you overcome this pain, you learn what this has brought to you. So in this episode, we will do a short exercise and we will connect to our source. We will strengthen the connection with our source. The source knows what lessons we have come here to learn. And we will take the energy from the source. We will download, or we can say, we will just request for the energy, however you want to take it. So we will connect to the powerhouse, to the source, and take some energy and manage the pain that is existing in this moment in our lives, so that we can open our doors to a wonderful life ahead once we overcome the pain using this energy. So let's get started. Close your eyes, sit in a comfortable position. To the divine and all the divine beings, we invoke for your priceless blessings, your wisdom and understanding. We thank you. Be aware of the infinite consciousness. Be aware of the self. Be aware of the energy coming from the infinite consciousness through the self into this body, and is spreading in each and every part of your body. This energy is reaching each and every cell of your body. Imagine the planet Earth in front of you in the form of a small ball, and share this energy with this planet Earth using your hands. Keep sharing this energy until you feel the planet Earth is filled completely with this energy from the infinite consciousness. Once you feel the sense of peace within you, let go of this earth in front of you. Put your hands down. Let go of the infinite consciousness, the true self. Be aware of the body. We thank you, the Divine Being, all the Divine Beings, for your priceless guidance, healing, help and protection. We thank you. Hope you have a great time ahead. Thank you very much.